y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. I want to inform you about my Instagram account. It has been hacked. What I am showing you is something that was shown to me. These are snapshots that were sent to me from my Instagram account. So I am informing everyone that if you get anything from me from Instagram, it is not me. I am working on this problem right now, and until I can get this taken care of, do not respond to me on Instagram. Do not send me a message. Do not answer a message from me. If you need to contact me through my email or YouTube or Facebook. But do not contact me through a message on Instagram. If you see a post on Instagram, it is not me. The last post I had on Instagram had to do with my 2 YouTube videos. So these posts that you see here or something where someone has hacked me. And this right here was my last post. You can see here where I've snapshot it. So I'm trying to get it taken care of. I appreciate your patience, and I will let y'all know when everything's taken care of. And y'all have a blessed day, and I will see you again soon.